Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we are going to be working on these three given problems. We are asked to find the value of k for these each and every quadratic equations. So let's get started now. And here is our first problem. It states if 5 is one root of the quadratic equation, the one that has been given, find the value of k. Always remember, root is same as x value. Sometimes we call it solutions or zeros or different names. Anyway, so this 5 is simply our x value. That means it's same as x equals to 5. Just keep in your mind. And here I have put it down this same quadratic equation, the given over here, this one over here. So the next step is wherever you see over here these x squared plus kx minus 35, wherever you see x, you replace it by 5. So this equation becomes 5 square plus k times 5 minus 35 equal to 0. Let's simplify. 5 square is simply 25 plus this is become 5k minus 35 equal to 0. Now these are like terms, this and this, you can combine them. So that is going to give us negative 10 plus 5k equal to 0. I want you to move this negative 10 on the right hand side. So this is going to give us simply 5k, and this negative 10 become positive 10. I want you to divide both sides by 5 because we want to isolate k. So k turns out to be simply 2. So thus k equal to 2 turns out to be our answer. And in this next problem, it states if 2 is one root of the quadratic equation, this one given, find the value of k. Once again, root means x value. That means this x turns out to be equal to 2. And in the next step, I copied down this quadratic equation right up here, which is kx squared plus x minus 14 equal to 0. So wherever you see x, you replace these by x equal to 2. So this is simply is going to happen is k times x is 2, simply put down 2 square plus 2 minus 14 equal to 0. Let's simplify that one. So k times 2 square becomes 4 plus 2 minus 14 equal to 0. So you can write as 4k, and this simply becomes negative 12 when you combine these two like terms, equal to 0. I want you to move this negative 12 on the other side because we want to isolate x. So this is simply is going to become 4k equals to, when you move 12 on the other side, become positive 12, divide both sides by 4. So that means k turns out to be equal to 3. So thus k equal to 3 is our answer. And here is our next problem. It states if negative 1 is one root of this given quadratic equation, find the value of k. Once again, the root means x value. So that means this negative 1 is, you can write x equal to negative 1. And in the next step, I have copied down this quadratic equation right up here, which is x squared minus 4x minus k equal to 0. And wherever you see x over here variables, I'm going to replace it by negative 1. So let's go ahead and do that one. So x, wherever you see x, fill in the blanks. So -1 square minus 4 times, once again x is -1 minus k equal to 0. Let's simplify this thing. -1 square is 1, and -4 times -1 is +4, minus k equal to 0. 1 plus 4 makes 5 minus k equal to 0. Since we want to isolate x, if I move k on the other side, so simply I got 5 equals to k. Thus k equals to 5 is our answer. And finally, here is your assignment. Can you work on these two given problems on your own? You can take your time. You can pause the video. Luckily, I have already uploaded this video as well. Go ahead and check it out and see the correct answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.